Have you ever experienced a sudden sneeze in bright sunlight? No, it is not just a coincidence. This is a fascinating phenomenon called the photic-sneeze reflex. In about 25% of the population, exposure to a bright light can trigger an uncontrollable urge to sneeze. This urge is due to cross signals between the optic nerve and the sneeze reflex center in the brain. So the next time you find yourself sneezing under the sun, know that you are not the only one experiencing this peculiar quirk of biology. Subscribe and follow me for more medical facts and tips.